Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional, not in today's newspaper on Saturday, November the 4th. Actually it's today Sunday, November the 5th, 2023. No, in the Saturday edition we have no extra puzzles. This additional is from Friday, November the 3rd, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle. The letter Sudoku, I've already solved, so two puzzles are left. The tectonic with 1 star, and the Sudoku with 2 stars. And this will be number 7396. 7396. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. 32 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Should be at 0 stars. But it's indicated with 2 stars. For 2 stars, puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. For 0 stars, need to be faster. Then 40, maybe 50 minutes. We'll see. Is this a 0 stars or a 2 stars puzzle? Alright, so let's get started. Which number can I pick? How about the 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left, 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing number in the first column is number 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here, 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. Alright. Then 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. 2 numbers left. In the first column, 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. One. 5. Need 8 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 3 here. Need a 2. Well, 2, 3, need a 9 here. Think. 1. The 1 there. 1, 2. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And look, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number 3. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 5. 2 in this column. 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only place left for the 2 should be there. One box left in this column, middle column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6, 6. We have a pair, the 1 and the 6 in this column. The 1 and 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places left for the 1 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3, 9, 3, 9. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay. So one box left in this column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. The 5 goes there. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 here, yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4, 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these two boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those two boxes in the third column, 5 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. See a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. So two numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. I marked those two boxes with the 1 and the 2. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column, last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 9 goes there. One box left in the last column for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those two boxes. Well, need a 4 here, need a 9 here, need a 5 here, 7, 4, 8. Come on. Need a 2 here, 2. Need a 2 here. Need an 8 here. Need a 3 here. What's happening? 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so in the row between. Only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. So, two numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes here. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Two numbers left in this row for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, and 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column. So the column 3, only place left for 9 should be there. 3 and 9, we have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. Then 2 and 3, we have a 2 in this column, third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 3, 3, okay. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for 5 should be there. Two numbers left in the third row for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 8. We have a 4 in the second column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. The 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in the first row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in the third column for the 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, we have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, 1 goes there, 1 in the first row. Oh wait, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2 and 3 is missing, 1 and 3, 1 and 3, we have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there, 1 should be here, 3 goes there, final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 3 goes there, finish in 10 minutes. Well, told you. Faster than 14 or 15 minutes for a 2 stars puzzle. Not a 2 stars. Well, not a 1 star. It should be a 0 stars. And we solved it again, and I like this one, yes I will do. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Well, for this afternoon, because in the evening I will do the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.